I just looked at my eye for a second. I was like, oh, it looks like I already have some kind of eyeshadow on. I don't. It's just how hooded my eyes are. It just puts a shadow right here for no reason. Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time. If you're new, hello. Whew. Okay, so I know I look a little weird right now. I am going to be using my Juvia's Place palettes, and I don't know which ones I'm going to be using yet because everything is so pretty and I have a hard time choosing between them. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. But I do know that I'm going to start off with the blush palette. Ooh, forgot these were in there. Because they have this shade right here, which if I take light-handedly, I think will work as kind of a bronzing shade. So that's what I'm going to start off with. We'll see how this goes. I just touched it to the powder once and I'm dusting it away because I don't want to take too much, because I'm afraid of it being too strong. See, like, it looked like there's nothing when I was just looking at it, but once I turn once I face forward again, I can see it. Oh my god, look at that! I love it. Ooh, hello. Definitely need it in the chin area today. I've been having more hot Cheetos lately, and I should really step off because sodium just makes my face so puffy. Also, my foundation does not match perfectly today because I am trying out a new one. It's the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation, and I love the packaging. I didn't mention that in my first impressions video, but I am going to talk about it later in that video, not in this one. I'm just gonna try my best to fix it and blend it in and use some bronzer and powders and stuff to make it look a bit better. This color works really well as a bronzer for me. I like it. I like it a lot. And like, it blends really well. It's like just the right amount of warmth, at least for what I'm going for today. I love it. Oh my gosh. I know it's like supposed to be a blush, but use whatever you need for whatever you need it for. I'm really loving Juvia's Place. This is my first time using any of their palettes, like, you know, for makeup so far. And I have dipped into one color and applied it to my face, and I am in love already. I think I'm gonna need like something slightly darker to help this area, because right now I'm gonna take a little bit of the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. Ooh, this is the banana shade. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this, dust it off, and just cut right there. Do the same thing on this side. Gonna go back into the Saharan blush palette. I forgot to mention the name of that shade. It's Yara. I might be saying it wrong. And I'm going to take a little bit of it on this little fluffy brush. Once again, I'm trying to be as light-handed as I can with this color because these things are so freaking pigmented, you guys. It might be a little too warm for my nose. I might have to go in with a cooler shade to blend it out. But I'm just gonna try it, because you never know if you don't try. That's as far as I'm gonna go with that. Yes, it looks a little bit dark, but it's gonna look better. Just trust the process. It's gonna look good by the end. Have my this is Laura Mercier, right? Yes, it is. Okay, my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm gonna take some of this just to catch any fallout that might happen. Honestly, I haven't put this on my eyes before, so I don't know how much fallout there's going to be from this stuff. So I don't know if there is much fallout, but if there is, I want to catch it so that it's easy to clean up later. I'm also going to put some of this over my nose because I think it'll help to tone down the redness in it. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have 3 different eyeshadow palettes from Juvia's Place. I have the Nubian. I keep on forgetting these are in there. I have the Nubian, which is gorgeous. I don't know if I want to use this one or not, because I just don't know what kind of look I'm going for. I have the Saharan palette. Here's this one. I don't know which one to use. I have no idea. Oh my god, but the festival palette though. This one looks incredible. This is such a hard decision, but I'm gonna go into the festival palette, and I think I'm gonna use a little bit of the Nubian palette as well. I'm going to start off with the yellow shade, which is this one right here, this mustard. This is in the color Oro. I just looked at my eye for a second. I was like, oh, it looks like I already have some kind of eyeshadow on. I don't. It's just how hooded my eyes are. It just puts a shadow right here for no reason. Ooh. I did do a swatch of this color in particular. And I was just like so excited to use it. So here we go. I'm gonna blend this into the crease. You really can't see it right now. It's not like super pigmented on the lid at the moment, but that's not what I'm going for anyway. I just want to have a little shadow of it. I'm bringing it really high, like up close to the brow bone, because this isn't going to be the focal color, but I do need something there for the other color that I'm going to use to blend into. Oh my god. I'm really excited for how this is going to end up looking. I should probably like get some tape or something. I never do the whole tape trick where you get like a really sharp line, because I kind of like it to just be kind of like blurred and soft. Okay, now you can really see the yellow. I've built it up quite a bit. I just really love yellow eyeshadows. I never thought that I would, but I'm a fan. I think it looks really cool. Next, I'm gonna go into Ofala. It's this one. I know it's really bright, but I'm really excited to use it. I just really want to play with all these colors. So I'm taking Ofala into the crease and like bringing it into the inner corner. I really like the color of this orange. It's like not as highlightery as it looks in the pan. Like it's still really bright, of course. And now I'm gonna take Izafa. This is so freaking pretty. And I'm gonna apply that onto the lid. Oh my god, I love it. But this brush is not applying it the way I want it to be applied. I want it to be like really densely colored. So I'm taking it on an application brush and I'm packing it on to the lid, up to the crease, and I'm going to blend it in with the orange shade, kind of creating a sunset on my eyes. It's my favorite look. I'm going to take a little bit of this brown shade right here, just a tiny bit of it, and I'm going to tap off the excess and apply a little bit into the outer corner. Let's see if this is dark enough. If it's not, I'm going to go in with a darker brown shade. No, it's dark enough. I'm not really trying to get the brown to like show up. I just want to add a little bit of depth, and having that little bit of brown there kind of helps create that. I'm going to dust away the baking, and I'm going to take a little bit of my Laura Mercier translucent powder again on a little sponge here, and I just need to apply it right here because it got a little too messy for me. This really would have been a good time to use the tape method, but I didn't do that. Now I'm going to move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to take a little bit of Oro, that's the mustard yellow shade, and I'm going to apply that all over the lower lash line from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. And I'm going to take a bit of Abba, that's this shade right here. I'm going to use that on the lower lash line because I'm really tempted to use this color. I'm kind of mad that I didn't use it on the lid, but I'm really curious to see how this turns out. Okay, guys, I know this looks crazy, because it is crazy, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm going to try to make it better. I'm in the middle of doing gel eyeliner right now. I'm using the Juvia's Place gel eyeliner. There you go. There it is. And I'm using the brush that came with it. I am not good with gel eyeliners. I don't understand how people use them so well and make them look so nice and smooth and bold. I'm trying my best, but I don't understand how people do this. Because for me, it always comes out really sloppy, especially in the inner corners. I can never get this area to look that great. I just really want to use as much Juvia's Place as I could in this video. And that is why instead of using my everyday liquid liner, I am using this gel one. Alright guys, I put on my lashes and finished my liner, so it's looking a little better. It's kind of evening out. I put a little bit of like a highlighter eyeshadow shade onto my inner corner right here. I don't think I'm gonna stop there. I think I'm gonna like do a little bit more highlight, but I used this color. I don't know how to say this. It's like Odagu. I'm sorry. But I'm gonna use Uli or Yuli. I don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna use both of these as inner corner highlights. So first I'm gonna go in with this one, and then I'm gonna go in with the whiter shade. I really love this. It's really nice and bright. I do need to layer it a bit to get to the intensity that I like, but I just like a really bright inner corner highlight. That's really bright inner corner highlight. I really love it. But I'm still gonna go in with the whiter shade. I'm not gonna put it all over like I did the more golden one. This one's being really condensed in the corner, and wow, I love it. Oh my god. For the brow bone, I'm gonna do a similar kind of look, going in with the golden highlight, just swiping it all over my brow bone, taking a little bit of Oro again, that's the mustard shade, just blending that up here to bring the color back in. And gonna take the whiter shade just a little bit and place it in one place right up here. That just lifts up the eyebrow a bit more. I know they're already really fairly arched, especially for like my face shape, but I'm like having so much fun with this. And add a little bit more in the inner corner because I feel like I want to, because I never have enough highlight. And I have my eyeliner here. This is the Wet n Wild On Edge Long Wearing Eyeliner Pencil. It's a gel eyeliner pencil, so it smooths on so easily. It just glides on with almost no effort. Gonna take a little bit of mascara. This is the Mad Lash Mascara from the Balm, and I'm going to apply it to the lower lashes. I don't want to add too much mascara to my lower lashes. I need to brighten up the under eye area again. I totally understand why people put on their eyeshadow first, especially when they're gonna do something so bold, because all of the eyeshadows, like even if there's not a whole lot of fallout, working on your eyes so much kind of wears down whatever brightness you created underneath your eyes. So I definitely suggest that if you're doing something really bright and really intense on the eyes, try to do your eyeshadow first. That's not something that I'm really good at doing, but it's definitely something that I should get used to if I'm gonna do this kind of makeup on myself. Alright, I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. And while that is sitting, I'm gonna put on some blush. Totally forgot the word. I think I'm gonna use Towel, kind of sticking with this orangey theme, and apply it right through here. I really like it. It's like this really nice peachy kind of shade, but I don't know if it works for this look exactly. I'm gonna take a little bit of Lena. That's this shade right down here. It's very pink, but I think it'll be okay. Just put a little bit back here. Okay, yeah, that's enough. I don't want to overdo this. I feel like it needed a little bit more emphasis, so just taking a little bit of Lena, tapping off the excess like a lot, and then applying it to the portions of my blush that are further back on my face. I'm just taking my bronzing brush that I used earlier, and I'm just blending all of this together kind of make it more seamless. For my highlight, I think I'm gonna try to use these as highlighters. So I'm gonna go in with a dog blue. That's the same color that I used everywhere else. And I'm just going to lightly apply it to my cheekbones. It looks good. It looks like a really nice natural type of highlight, especially when you take it lightly. I'm also going to lightly take it on my cupid's bow and on the nose. I think I'm going to take a little bit of the whiter highlight shade, just a touch of it, and apply it right here. I'm not going to do too much, just right here, right here. Blend it. For my lips, I think I'm going to use Soil. I have not ever put this on my lips yet. I'm really excited to do so. So I'm going to first line my lips using this lip liner from Italia Deluxe called Mango. It might be a little bright, but we are going to make it work. I don't like this lip liner. It looks crazy. But hopefully the lipstick over this will make it look better. Oh yeah, that lip liner was totally unnecessary. Okay, I have my lipstick on. This is really bright. It's kind of like throwing off everything else. But at the same time, I'm not like totally mad about it. Yeah, it's weird. But maybe I should have just gone with something nude? I don't know. And finally, gonna let my hair down because I'm not leaving it out this way all day. A lot of pins in my hair. Ugh. Okay. Why is this so big? What happened? I feel like this lip color is definitely like throwing it off. It's a little bit too much. This is bright, this is bright, everything's bright. My nails are orange. Like, I think I'm just going through like a really big orange phase. I'm actually gonna try to tone down the lips a bit because it's a little bit much for me. So let's see. I don't know if I should just take a gloss over it to darken it up. No. No. Not happy at all. I think this lip shade would be a lot better on a day where I do like more neutral eyes, because bright lips and bright, really loud eyes are just like too much for my face. But I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick. This is in the color Amazonian. I love this stuff. I'm trying to blend it together with the leftover lip liner and everything that I have. Alright, so that is much more my speed. I think that looks a little bit better. Soil was just a little too bright for myself for today. But on another day, I would totally wear it. Alright guys, that's the end of this. I'm really happy with how this look turned out. It's like so colorful. I love it. I'm really happy with all the products that I used today. I can't get enough of it. I'm gonna have so much fun with all of these palettes and the lipsticks. I can't wait to like use the black lipstick. I really like black lipstick. But I never go out wearing it because I feel like I get like a lot of extra stares, and maybe I'm not getting extra stares, but I feel like I'm getting extra stares. You know what I mean? I just feel a little bit self-conscious when I go out wearing black lipstick, but I love black lipstick. Anyway, that is it. Thank you guys so much for sitting here and doing my makeup with me and listening and watching me mess up on things. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. So I put videos every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Even though I have quit my job, I am still going to stick with the 3 days a week until I'm able to catch up with all the stuff that I need to do. And then once I have everything settled and I'm back into the groove, I will gladly add another day into the schedule again. So thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!